we're going to look at how we can solve equations using addition or subtraction. So the past few days we've been focusing on just writing equations. Now we're going to take it one step further and not only write but solve equations. The first thing that we're going to look at is the fact that equations only have one value for the variable that's going to make the equation work, and that's what we call a solution. So this table here is showing you the equation x plus 3 is equal to 7. They picked three different values for x, 3, 4, and 5. They picked those at random and decided to plug them into the equation and see which one of them comes out to be the solution. So the first row shows when x is 3, how the left side, 3 plus 3, comes out to be 6, which is not a match to the 7 that was on the right side. Therefore, x equals 3 was not a solution. They checked for 4 and they checked for 5, and as the table shows you, when x is 4, both the left side and the right side came out to match each other at 7, which made the solution to this equation x equals 4. I'm going to walk you through two examples of how to check a solution. So the first equation that we have is the equation 4 times y is equal to 56. What they want us to do is check that when y equals 14. So what we do first is we substitute y with the value that's given, which is 14. So on the left side of the equation, we have 4 times 14, and on the right side, we keep the 56 there. We don't do anything with that. Then we multiply 4 by 14, and the left side works out to have a value of 56, and that matches the 56 on the right side. So what that tells us is that y equals 14 is a solution to this equation because it makes both sides work out to be the same value. The next equation that we have is q divided by 2 is equal to 28, and they want us to check that when q is equal to 14. So again, we substitute q with the value 14. So on the left side, we're going to have 14 divided by 2, and on the right side, we keep the value 28. On the left side, 14 divided by 2 gives us a value of 7. 7 is not equal to 28. Therefore, q equals 14 is not a solution to this equation.